Hello residents of Wauconda. We're back again with tips on how to safely share the road with the snowplows. We all have places to be, but please drive slow and help us keep our community safe.
My name is Bart Romero. I am a drinking water operator. Public Works Department is responsible for the clearing of 114 lane miles. Our top priority is to make the road safe for emergency personnel and the traveling public. I would say the most important tips are to slow down, give the trucks room to work, and do not pass trucks while they are plowing. Also keeping a distance of at least 100 feet or 5 car lengths to allow you time and space to react to what the plow is doing. Snowplows also create clouds of snow that can reduce your visibility. Snowplows have blind spots that are much larger than regular vehicles.
Hi, I'm Daryl Wojciechowski. Modern plow trucks are great machines, equipped with a front plow 11 feet wide, some are with a side wing plow 9 feet wide, all computer controlled with de-icing material, spreader, LED lights, and a mirror in many places to help operators see all sides of their equipment. A fully equipped and loaded single-axle plow truck weighs in at over 60,000 pounds, measures 21 feet wide with the wing plow down, 38 feet long and 13 feet tall. We operate these trucks in all types of weather, day and night, with few breaks and little downtime. It can be a very challenging duty. We climb aboard these massive machines, plow and salt the snow-covered and slippery roads, with very limited visibility and temps that are sub-zero. A typical residential route may take several hours for a truck to make one pass. Please, for your safety and ours, stay back at least 100 feet or 5 car lengths from all plow trucks.
Hi, my name is Josh Grogan, Maintenance Service Tech. Last year we noticed an increase of snow forts in the snowbanks at the edge of the roads and in cul-de-sacs. The force and the weight of the snow coming off the plows can collapse tunnels and forts. Residents should also make sure that their mailbox meets the village requirements for safe snow removal. The front of the mailbox should be 6 to 8 inches from the edge of the road or the back of the curb. The bottom of the mailbox should be between 41 and 45 inches from the ground surface.
Thanks again for watching. We have a great crew out there taking care of our streets. If you believe that the Village of Wauconda is responsible for damage due to plowing operations, please visit our website at www.wauconda-il.gov and complete a service request for restoration due to plowing or mailbox damage. Thank you for watching another Village of Wauconda Services Showcase.
Don't forget to follow to see new episodes when they're posted. Also, make sure to bash that like button.